Devoli hamwana individuo irani zikalitekizika Kagadi-Fort Abantu tulina kusasa muno abo abantu bayitu abakufuira mu kishweka kino matoka nigenda nkomwikumi ezakagwa hano bayitu kurugwa kara obusi bwensi hano wakabarwe mahande eki ebiri keep left ekizibu kyali kitakabaho baitu obalimira omuhanda guno bateeka omuhanda gumu noharugirira ekizibu eki matoka nerugwa iruguru eremerirwe kusiba yakuba inera bakuli kasinga bere engudo ibiri n'abantu bantu bakufuyire ekibayisire matoka eremerirwe kuli yasanga hano ali hafuunda nukunetera matoka ezokoloni n'abantu ne bafu mbayi nsaba nitero mulanga government namunu baza kuza kukimusa umwe bachali umuntu ariko individuo irani zikalitekizika nawafu Kagadi-Fort Abantu Yengo bojo okira amor weno zambo yena ambacho tukimani awanya wasangu yanga babemera kuterera hagati na kichipte churi oh
Amabala niyo tusime Fatima. Sasa muno okufa kwa sista wange kale basista bange bagwira accident eno Kagadi-Fort kuziika ne bagenda Kagadi bona bafa bahoireho babayi bali bakazi bakozi ni balolera abana be bana nfuzi ni bazaara abana ni babarolera ni barolera abana abatali babo tujja kusigara nkaha era tusigaire nkaha era abana basigaire nkaha.
We had earlier briefed you about the accident that occurred last night where 15 people perished on the spot and the others had been rushed to Kagadi Hospital for medication in a critical condition. So one has been also been reported dead in the hospital, so the death toll rises now to 16. So from 15 they are now 16, and there is another body which is still stuck in a trailer, so we are trying to see how we can remove it. In of this accident, the drivers who drive at night tend to own the roads. They tend to think the road now belong to them. They don't care. They drive recklessly. So you find them, most of them are either overspeeding, others they don't care. And now this is a call to everyone. The drivers, let us all be careful while on the road. And also the passengers, when you say driver is overspeeding, if you say driver is not driving in a manner that is required by the traffic rules and regulations, you call our toll-free numbers of 112-999 for us to respond. Because this one should be everyone's responsibility. Don't wait for police to come. They let people not squeeze you in the taxi. Because when you look at the number of people that have died, 15, moreover, from a taxi, there were more than 15. And a taxi that has a capacity of 14 people, and it had on board around 19 people. This is too bad.